welcome back to another Andrew Marshall Fitness and Meal Prep video. Today I'm making a barbecue beef and rice meal. It's going to be extremely simple, extremely easy, 15 minutes, 3 meals, let's do it. This is going to be all you need ingredient wise. Very simple, very effective barbecue beef here. So we've got some steak strips, some barbecue seasoning, salt and pepper, some garlic, red onion, mushrooms and some basmati rice. And I'm going to be walking you through it right now. All I'm going to do first is, no need to do anything with that, that will just get used. You can chop them up a little bit finer as I make a fucking mess here. All I'm going to do is chop up the onion, chop up the mushrooms and grate the garlic. The boiled rice is on in the background. I do have 6 portions getting cooked up at the moment, as that will also be getting used in a chicken taco bowl recipe, which will either be up on the channel or is coming. Not sure what the order is, but you'll see it soon. But I'll show you in the next clip once this is all cut up and grated. Next step, just spray the pan at nice high heat for the beef, as you want to kind of crisp up on the outside. Just using some spray. All I've done is chop the beef down a touch, and I've grated up some garlic as well. The veg is sitting off to the side and that can be added in a minute. So in goes the garlic and the beef. So that comes flying out. And I'm going to add in plenty of salt and pepper as well. The rice is cooking in the background. It takes about 10 to 12 minutes. Just make sure and keep stirring it, otherwise it can clump together if you're doing much bigger portions. Again, I just like to cook in bulk because it makes everything so much fucking easier. So that's salt and pepper. I'll literally give that a minute or two and then add in I'm going to add in this seasoning as well. I could just do that just now. I'll show you. Some barbecue fajita seasoning. Again, you can pick ones you prefer. If you don't nut into the barbecue, pick some. There's some good sweet paprika ones and things like that as well. Some great pre-made seasonings. Get creative, mix it up a bit to what you like. Again, as a bit comes flying out the pan. That'll get probably about a minute and then I'll throw in the veg. So that's had a couple of minutes. I'm just going to add in some veg now. And then all that'll get is another 2 to or maybe 3 to 5 minutes probably. Just cook them slowly to soften up the veg. And then all I'll do is combine the rice and the beef and that'll be good to go. Again, just make sure you're stirring every so often. Probably throw in some more seasoning. But there's already quite a bit in there with all the fajita seasonings, the garlics, things like that, so there's plenty in there. Just keep that going for around, turn that down a touch, around 3 to 4 minutes. Check it before it's done, give it a taste, and then all I do is combine everything together and that'll be that. Easy, simple, quick recipe. The playlist will be linked somewhere just now. If you want to see more videos like this, hit like, hit subscribe and leave a comment and any future suggestions. See you in the next one.